A lot of people are using AI to either make money or save time. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the 8 best AI tools that you can use in order to generate more money and also save time. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I highly encourage that you tap that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos. Let's dive right into the first AI tool that can help you make money, and that is Clap Tools. Clap Tools is a free AI platform that will help content creators create more content so they can actually monetize their platform and get paid. It also gives you SEO titles for your YouTube channel. So if you're struggling to find the best SEO titles for your YouTube video, Lab Tools is the best option for you if you're looking for an AI tool that can generate great SEO titles. Another thing that it helps you do is generate LinkedIn posts. If you've been struggling on LinkedIn and you want to grow your network, you want to connect with potential clients, and you want to boost your profile and get more connections in, then you have to upload content on your LinkedIn in order for people to connect with you and want to learn more about you. So this tool will help you to generate those content for free. There are other tools out there, but you have to pay for them. So if you are starting out and you don't have the money to do that and you want to build up your audience on LinkedIn, using this tool will help you over time, and you don't have to use your brain. You can use Clap Tools in order to do that for you. Now let me paint a quick picture for you in terms of how these AI are so powerful and can make you money. The next AI tool will help you generate audio for your script. So after you have used Clap Tools to create an entire script, let's say you don't want to use your voice, you can actually use a platform called 11 Labs to do that for you. Now, the great thing about 11 Labs is that it provides so many options for you to choose from when it comes on to AI audio. You can choose to tell a story, and there are different types of voices that you can choose from. You can also introduce a podcast. If it's that you have a podcast, you can use AI voice in order to run your podcast for you. You can also create a video voiceover. Not everyone wants to use their voice, so using a tool like 11 Labs will definitely get the work done for you. Now let's say you have a sales presentation that you want to do for a potential client or prospect, and you don't want to do any of the heavy lifting when it comes on to the slides or even the voiceover for the entire presentation. There is a tool called synthesia.io that will help you create everything from scratch. From creating the scripts, putting the slides together, photos and videos, as well as the music and audio. You'll see that they are trusted by over 50,000 companies such as Zoom, Heineken, and Teller Performance. If you're looking for a simple way to make money using AI, then you should definitely consider using Midjourney. With Midjourney, it is an AI tool that will be able to generate AI art images that you can resell on platforms like Etsy or even your own Shopify store. Once you sign up for the platform, you'll be able to join their Discord community where you'll be able to have different ideas from other creators and also join in on live chats and messages. You'll be able to surround yourself with like-minded individuals that are also using Midjourney in order to make money. The next AI tool that is topping our list today is Imagine.art. With Imagine.art, you will be able to upscale photos, and this is a good way for you to make money. You can actually create gigs on a site like Fiverr and offer clients to clear up their blurry photos. And I know there are people out there that has taken photos that are extremely blurry, and they will pay you $15, $20, $30 just to clear up that photo for them. Imagine getting 10 to 20 clients per day that are requesting you to clear up different photos. You can actually make quick money by doing this. Another way you can use Image.art is through their character consistency, where you can create a storyline and you can use the same character face. However, you can dress them into different type of clothing. So with the character consistency, you can create a storyline, and it allows you not to just have this one boring character having on the same type of clothing. So it's definitely good for people who likes to do storytelling. Thousands of content creators, including myself, have used this next AI tool, and it has been helping to save tons of time and also creating effectiveness when it comes on to trimming or clipping of your long form videos. Now, the platform is Opus Clips, and Opus is a super efficient way to turn your long form content into short form videos. And how it works is that once you upload a video on the platform, it will generate different short form content that is expected to do well. Now, how the platform works is that when you upload one long form content, they can generate 10 viral clips from that. And they also give you a percentage or score in terms of how that video is expected to perform. So if you scroll on their website, you'll see that there are over 10 million creators and businesses that are using Opus Clips, including myself, because it's an awesome platform. If you are a content creator and you're looking for a way to trim down or clip your long form content so that you can upload them to your YouTube channel, your TikTok, or for your Instagram, the next AI tool will help you to save money and time when it comes on to creating a website. With 10web.io, it is an AI tool that will build your dream website. Let's say, for example, we type in, please create a UGC website for my skincare brand. Once you have entered the prompt to build your dream website, you will go ahead and fill out the details in terms of the name of your website, your domain name, any type of text that you would require for the title, and also information around your reviews, your social media, and they will build a full-blown website for you. You don't need to have any experience in coding or dragging and dropping any type of design in order to come up with your dream website. This AI literally does all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is fill out the information they request, and you will have different layouts that you can choose from to build your dream website. Descript is a phenomenal video editor and all-in-one platform that allows you to make videos seamlessly without the hassle. With Descript teleprompter, they will help you to navigate through a video seamlessly by providing on-screen text. They also help you to edit your videos for clarities by removing the filter words. They also help you to repurpose and share your content. So if you're someone that doesn't really understand how to create videos, this platform will help make the process seamless for you. From script writing to editing the video to putting a teleprompter on screen for you to taking out filter words, and also if you're someone that constantly looks away from the camera, there is an option in Descript that will focus your face center in the camera, so it looks like you're looking in the camera. However, you might be looking on a computer or looking elsewhere. So this is an absolutely great AI tool that is great for content creators or people that are just starting out and they're looking for great videos to upload. These were the 8 AI tools that will help you to save time or make more money. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up also. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video.